Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I've got an update for you on the Oasis of the Seas. She's in Drydock in Spain right now, and things are going very, very well. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel, giving this video thumbs ups. I really appreciate it. Also, if you're thinking of going on a holiday, thinking of going on a cruise, use the official travel agency for Traveling with Bruce, Ambrin Travel. Join us on our first ever group cruise on the Harmony of the Seas, December 2020. We're going to go out of Port Canaveral to St. Thomas, St. Kitts, and to Coco Cay. All right, here in Cadiz, Spain, the Oasis of the Seas was brought in on the September the 28th, 2019. Slowly guided in by the tugboats, and they got her into the largest dry dock, one of the largest in the world. Fantastic views here. That little arrow, you see a little dot there, that is a park that is just off to the side of the dry dock, and I've got some fantastic footage for you here in just a minute. Great angles of the ship. Now, the dry dock itself, $165 million is being spent by Royal Caribbean on the Oasis of the Seas. These cranes that are beside the dry dock are massive. Full-blown transport trucks with containers can drive right through these things. The amount of money they're spending here, 165 million bucks over 60 days. That's $2,750,000 a day, $115,000 an hour, or $2,000 a minute. Now, that park I was telling you about, thanks to Roz and Steve Gugenburger, they shot this video of the Oasis of the Seas being refurbished. This is in the first week. You can see the scaffolding is up there already. You can see the slide being installed. There's a shot of the Symphony of the Seas with that ultimate abyss water regular slide, 10 stories tall. That other little dot there is this screen at the back where the Aqua Center is. That screen is being replaced because the old one was damaged. You can see how many cranes are now operating, and they are lifting onto the decks and taking off the decks these containers. Barge was brought in beside the ship full of containers, and what's happening is they'll bring a container full of new items onto the deck and then take those items out of the container and then reload that container with items that are throwing away, like the old televisions, the old bedding, equipment that they're replacing, and the cranes are constantly lifting and lowering full and new containers with new stuff and containers with old stuff constantly coming on and off of this ship. This is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week operation for the entire 60 days. By the time this ship is finished, she'll have the ultimate abyss slide, which is 10 stories tall, twin slides, 3 new water slides. You'll see here in a moment the pool deck that I've got a shot of here of the Oasis of the Seas. Right towards the front of the ship, you'll see an arrow pop up here in a second. This area is going to be really redone. Right here, this particular area, watch this shot here. This is the Symphony of the Seas. This is what it's going to look like when it's all finished. You can see the 3 water slides at the front of the ship there. A whole new pool deck is going in. A new barbecue area is going in there. Twin rock climbing walls are going in. Everything. I mean, it's just a massive, massive job. Once the ship is finished, she'll be in Miami November the 24th, and she'll be running 7-day sailings into the Caribbean all through the winter. Then next May 2020, Oasis of the Seas will be home porting at Cape Liberty in New York City, running 7-day Bahamas cruises. So this ship is going to get a lot of exposure. It's going to be extremely popular, and it's going to look virtually identical to the Symphony of the Seas with upgrades everywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again to Roz and Steve Gugenburger for their fantastic video of the refurbishing going on in Cadiz, Spain. Could have made the video without their help. Thank you, everybody. It's Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying we'll see you later. Bye for now.